Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went ahead and used the e.l.f. palette from I Heart Revolution. It does say I'm a cotton-headed Ninny Muggins. So I thought that was so cute, and you can see like the city, and it's just, oh, it's so neat. I think it's so cool. And look, there's little snowflakes. Anyways, this is what the inside of the palette looks like. I am trying to keep the mirror up high so that it doesn't reflect everything, because it does have a nice size mirror on it. I did a really simple look today. I think it's super pretty though. I'm really happy that I picked up this palette. But I'm excited to play with this shade here along with these two right here. I did use this one today with this look. But yeah, I think it's a super cute palette. I just wish it had a darker blue and a red, but that's it. That's literally the only complaint I have. It was really easy to work with. Everything blended really nicely, so I'm super excited to use this palette again. I'm very happy I picked up this palette. I think it's super cute, and I'm excited to use it and do more looks with it. On my lips, I did use this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Dubai, and I put some of this Profusion Juicy Lip Tint. It's a nourishing lip oil on top of it just to give it a glossy effect. I really like this. It's like, I think it was like $4 at Walmart, but I am already like halfway through it, so I'm gonna have to get some more. Couple products that I got to try out today I'm super excited about. I really like the way that they sit on my skin. So I used the Catrice Nude Illusion powder. It's in transparent, and I really like the way it's like, it feels like there's nothing under my eyes, so I really like that. I also got to use this little Catrice blush. It is Dolce Vita. I think that it looks really nice. So I also got to use this highlight from Catrice. It is the Supreme Rose Beam. It is so pretty. I really like this. I also got to try out this Catrice eyeliner. I am super excited. It looks so good. I'm so happy. I am definitely need to pick up more Catrice products to try out. These were all gifts from a subscriber, so I am so appreciative because I think I found a new brand that I really want to dive into. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. Do you think you're gonna pick up this palette? I think it would be a great gift for someone that loves makeup, and especially if they love the movie Elf. I'm very happy that I picked it up. I can't wait to do more looks with it and play with it more. So yeah, super happy with this purchase. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. I'm super tired. It's Vlogmas. I've been vlogging every single day. Definitely go check out my Vlogmas videos if you haven't. As always, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe so that you can see future videos. I'll be posting it 2 to 3 times a week here on my channel. With Vlogmas, it's every day, so keep that in mind. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.